Hello everyone, welcome to FUOOTECH. Today I will introduce FT-FL large flow flushing and filtration system to you. The first part is an electric cabinet. This is a PLC. It will help us to operate the machine easily. Here are the 4 pressure gates. It is the oil inlet valve. And the whole part is the oil filling system. Now we can see the flow meter, and the following is the oil outlet valve. Here are valves. We can control these valves to achieve different purification requirements. This is a heating device. It can heat the oil to the temperature you want. The primary filter can remove large particles. Next is the secondary filter and the fine filter. They can remove the tiny particles from oils. Now, this is the oil flushing pump. And this is the oil tank of the oil filling system. If you want to know more about this machine, welcome to contact us.